Good morning, Muscle Car Corner, heading into the track. Wanted y'all to see this unbelievable facility. Corn all growing over there, and it's really hilly. Man, this track is just so cool. It's a pleasure to be at this facility. I just love it. We'll be back next year. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos I'm putting out. Trying to bring it to y'all, and it's a cloudy day today. The rain's coming to us, so we got not good weather for drag racing. It's really humid right now. It's sprinkling just a little bit, so it's not good. So we'll do the best we can with it. Man, I tell you, I hope we get some racing in today. Is the only thing I know. You know, I've got a lot invested in this trip to get here, and I tell you, it's heartbreaking to have rain for two of the main days. So we'll see what happens. I always hope for the best, and if it's 50% chance and we get some of the racing in today, would just be simply fantastic. So, well, that's what I'm crossing my fingers for. And we've got media here trying to get some pictures, and rolling on in, and this amazing facility. They got car show here today, and it's one of those things where everybody brings their cars out here. I think it's super cool to have a drag race and a car show. It's super good for everybody, I'm sure. So as you can see, it's already busy this morning. They're supposed to start at 8 o'clock, so we'll see what happens there. And if I can get around this guy here, I'll be good. He's looking at cars and not paying attention to what he's doing. Show and shine. Man, I'll tell you what, there's a lot of people at this race. It's a big gig. I'm just so happy to be here filming for NHRA and YouTube. So that's good stuff for me. First time with a vest and getting all the access that I need and want. And I've been waiting for that for about a year. I put my application in for direct media, and it finally happened. When you got as many views as I've had, it just makes it kind of easier getting into these places, and they want me, so it's one of those things that the more views I get, the more subscribers, the easier it is for me to get into these meets and bring you all the prime videos. So I need y'all's help on get me in. Now, Muscle Car Corner, sign out. I'm gonna park and get ready. Enjoy your day.